In this video, I will show how to add a tree view of all pages and custom post, get a great overview plus options to drag and drop, to reorder and option to add multiple pages. So to do this one, you have to use this plugin, CMS tree page view. Click on install, then click on activate. Now walk cursor to settings, then click on CMS tree page view. Select where Now here select where to show a tree for pages and custom post types, like on dashboard, in menu, on post overview screen, and there are some more options. Then click on save changes. So this is the useful plugin and popular. Use and install it. And if you are facing any problem to use this one, so comment, I will try to answer it. Thanks for watching.